In this video, I am going to show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on Drive on your mobile phone. After you log into your WhatsApp, tap Continue to allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, files, and media. These permissions are necessary for the app to function correctly and restore your backup. You'll be prompted to restore your messages and media from Google Drive. Tap on Restore to begin the restoration operation. After you find it clicking on the three dots and then go into WhatsApp settings, backup, and you'll find Restore. Once the restoration is complete, enter your name and any other required details to set up your WhatsApp profile. After choosing your Google account you want to retrieve old messages from, of course. After tapping Next, WhatsApp will finalize the setup and your messages along with any media that was backed up will be restored and accessible in your chats. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.